So every time I come into this room, I throw my keys, wallet, and glasses right over here, but I need a space to put them, so I end up getting this holder that I want to put right over here. So in this video, I want to do a quick installation and give my first impressions of this. Here's everything that comes in the box. We have a quick instruction manual, some screws, 2 adhesive pads, and the key holder itself. And this thing got some good weight to it. It's going to be a solid piece. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different knobs, so I can hang up to 6 different keys here. And I'm seeing on the back that these do come off from a Phillips head screw, so if you don't want all of them, you can unscrew them. It also has these 2 holes, and that's where these things come into play, unless you want to screw it directly onto your wall. In this case, I'm going to be using the adhesives, and this is really convenient because it comes with an actual screw head on here, so this can just be unscrewed just like so. And this can be placed right through the hole, just like that, and then screwed in, just like that. Except I have to tighten it a little bit more. And I'll do the same thing for this other side. So now with both these adhesives on the back side, I can choose the location that I want to put it in, which is going to be somewhere above this light switch. Yeah, I think about right over here will be good. This can be peeled right off and placed just like so. And then I'm just going to stick it on even more. And now I just unscrewed it, and this so I can get better access to this and then just push it in a little bit better. And ideally after 24 hours, this should be good to use, but let me just show you how it looks set up. Just like that. And now when I come into the room, I can take my glasses off and put them right on top. I can put my wallet right next to it, and I can hang my keys right over here. But yeah, that's a quick look at the key holder.